Guys, looking at the US 30 now, those of you who took this trade based on my video or down here somewhere, I would be inclined to close this. There it is here, this video, US 30 Dow Jones in my ideas trading view. So I went off this signal here and the pullback down in, and this is currently trading at 2.7R. Well, it hit 2.7, 3R, it hit 3R. Now it's traded back down. I'd be inclined to close this trade if you're in this right now. What we're going to do now is have another look at the US 30 and see where we are from here. I think this is looking a little bit precarious at the moment. We'll just go out, have a look at it on the 4H. In fact, yeah, okay. So we've had this massive move to the downside, bearish break here of structure. Now it's pulled back, and this price action is looking like it's wanting to lean over. Okay, so if we scrunch it up, that's what it looks like on the higher time frame. Big drop. It was bullish. Yeah, we've run into these or this balance area, and I'm wondering whether we see this roll over here. It's going to depend on the strength of the dollar. Now, the US dollar, or the DXY, is pretty overextended at the moment. Now, if that drops back, we could see this rally. If the DXY gains, well, we could see this roll over. So how do we get involved with this? Well, at the moment, this is currently range bound through here. Now, we're starting to see a bit of volatility kick in, hitting the highs, hitting liquidity above and below this range. Where to from here? Guys, it's a really easy process. We can go down to a 15-minute chart, scrunch that up, and it gives you basically a 4-hour view. Let me just, yeah, see, that's what we're seeing on the 4-hour chart, right? Okay, but we can go down to the 15, and I'm looking at this range here. Okay, double bottom. Now, could go either way. You know, I'm inclined to pull a range through. We've got this range here that really is key. I'm just going to pick up the candle bodies down the bottom here, and these candle bodies up the top. And for me to get involved with this, it has to break the high or the low of this range. Right, I'll just grab my pencil. And yeah, that's, you know, I wouldn't get involved with it at the moment. But here's the thing. Depending on how price reacts around here, it's either going to break the low or it's going to break the high. And then you want to wait for the retest and fail. All right, so you got this level and this level here, and I'm looking for the retest and fail either side of it. So it's just a matter of waiting for price action to shape up, guys. That's all there is to it. This will start to trend on the lower time frame. You could watch it on the 15 or maybe the 30 minutes, something like that. Let's just have a look and see what it's doing at the moment. Well, I mean, on the 30, you can see that it's actually starting to trend up. See how we've got this break here, right? And we can see higher highs, higher lows. Well, at the moment, that's what's happening. Now, if that holds, then we want to see that, basically, and I want to see the break and retest of that. If this trend continues, so at the moment, we have a bullish trend on the 30 minute. But, you know, understand that can shift gears. So, you know, for now, this is what we've got. And, you know, this is range bound, guys. Like, you have to have a look at this entire price action through here. The high, well, you know, where do you want to go? Just grab that. The low, okay. The range between these two levels here. And just see how it shapes up. Now, that is one thing, but then, you know, it could roll over and do this. Okay, so it's just a simple matter of waiting to see, you know, if it does that and breaks the low, okay, there's your entry point. Or if it cracks the high, you know, that's your entry point. All right, so I hope that makes sense. At the moment, there's no trade, and I'll be waiting for this to play out. And from there, we have an opportunity. Either it's a bullish or it's bearish. But it's a precarious market at the moment. We had quite a big spike on Friday and a massive move in the markets, and that's kind of thrown a bit of a spanner in the works. I'm thinking, you know, Monday it didn't really settle in. Tuesday, hopefully it settles today through the London and maybe the New York session. And, you know, we might see some opportunities into New York. And, I mean, look, on the higher time frame, on the 1H, you can actually see that this is trending in this direction as well, okay? So, again, it's just a matter of waiting to see what happens once we crack this high or this low. Yeah, you know, the US market might open up something tonight, but I'm sure we'll have something. You know, I think the markets will well and truly settle sometime later on today, and hopefully we get something tomorrow. All right, guys, that's it. That's the US 30. No go at the moment. Wait for the break above or below. I'd love to hear your comments on this. Do leave a comment below. And with that, have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.